Hello guys, good day and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to find the general term of an arithmetic sequence. Now, if you talk of a sequence, we simply refer to a set of numbers written in a particular order with a comma in between. So if I write 5, 10, 15, 20, up to infinity, certain number that we don't know, and we call that the nth term, all right, Tn. Now, this is an arithmetic sequence because we obtain a common difference. 5 to 10 is plus 5, 10 to 15 is plus 5, 15 to 20 rather is plus 5. So since we have a common difference, we call it the arithmetic sequence. All right, we have the geometric sequence, which we obtain the next one by multiplication. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, and so on. So this is called the geometric sequence. Got it, good. Now, to look at arithmetic sequence, to find the general term, it's very easy. We are going to look at that using the example we have on the screen. We see that some basic things that you should take note of. The first term, this 2, we know 2 is our first term, the first number, right? So we call it the T1, term 1. This is T2, second term, T3, the third term, T4, and so on. That's how we name them. Now our T1 is, in math, we can call it what? A, the first term, as A. All right, so don't get confused if we use T1 or A. Okay, for the purpose of this lesson, we are going to use the T1. All right, then we have the numbers in between. So from 2 to 5, how did we get 5? It's plus 3, right? Good. 5 to 8 plus 3, 8 to 11 plus 3, 11 to 14 plus 3. It means to get the next term, we are just going to, the rule is plus 3. That's how we're going to find these. So now we say that what the common difference, right? Common difference should be, which we call D, it's what? Positive 3 or just 3. So these are some of the things you should take note of. The first term is a 2. The common difference, D, is a 3. And that's what we're going to use in finding the general term. So when we talk of the general term, we simply refer to a certain rule that we can write down. For example, 2n plus 3 or 2n, whatever rule that we can use to find the 100th number. So if, for example, they ask you to find the 100th number in this sequence, are you going to add up plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 till you get to the 100th number? No, we cannot do that. So we need a general formula that you can use to do that. So I'm going to explain how you can create or get the formula yourself, and then you can memorize it for future purposes. Okay. So now, since we know that our common difference is plus 3, now, for example, let me say we are going to find Tn is 10. They ask us to find the 10th number. So that is easy. It's just the 10th number. So we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Number 6 will be what? 14 plus 3, 17. Number 7 will be 18. No, not 18. You see, I'm even getting it wrong. Will be 20. Number 8 will be 23. And number 9 will be what? 23 plus 3 again, 26. The 10th number will be what? 29. Am I getting this right? So 14 plus 3, 17, 20. Plus 3, 23, plus 3, 26, 29. Okay, and that is a 10th number. Now let us try and now use a formula. As I said, if they asked you for a 100th number, you cannot add like what I've done now. So let us try and create the formula. So the 10th number, as we worked out, we realized that it was this first number, 2, and then we kept doing what? Adding 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. But how many times did we add the 3? If we are to go back into, if we are to go back into doing that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, number 10, we kept adding the number 10 times. So after the 2, it's 1, it's 1 for the 5, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 for the 6, 6 for the 7, 7 for the 8, 8 for the 9, and 9 for the 10. That means we added the first number, the 2, we added 3 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. And this 9 times that we have here can be written as what? 3 times 9. For the purpose of this, I'm going to use a dot. 3 times 9 like this, right? Okay, now again, look at something. This 9, so this is 2 plus 3 times 9. This 9 that we got here, right, this 9 is the 10th term. So to shorten it, this 10th term minus 1. So that creates a formula for us. Whatever, if they say the 100th term, it will be 100 minus 1, because you're going to multiply 99 times. If they say the 1000th term, since you cannot keep adding 3,000 times, you are going to do this by subtracting 1 from the 1000. Got it? Good. So that creates a formula for us. That will be the Tn, our Tn minus a 1. In this case, our Tn is a 10, so it's going to be 10 minus 1. Does that make sense? So that's what we have here. This 9 is our Tn, 10 minus 1, and that gave us the 9. Right. And this 3, where is it coming from? Can you tell where this 3 is coming from? Remember, it's what? The common difference, the D. So the D3 and the Tn was our T10 that we are finding. So the N now, in this case, our N is a 10. Our N is a 10 like that. So to create the formula, or let's find the answer first maybe before we create the formula. This will be equal to, we have 2 plus 3 times 9 is 27. And 2 plus 27 is 29. Remember, when we kept adding 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, we got the same thing. So you can get it by adding repeated addition, adding the 3. However, if it's a bigger term that we are finding, then you need a formula. And the formula, you can get it by get the first term, get the common difference, the D, and keep adding the common difference up until the term that they have given to you. But that is bigger. So now what do? We are going to then have the formula to be our Tn, the nth term for any number they give us, is the first term, T1, right? Is the first term, the 2 that we got. So it was 2 plus. So the first term plus what? The n, right? The n, which will be the 10 now, minus 1. That gives us the number of times that we are going to add up the common difference. We multiply that by the 3, the common difference. So we need to multiply by the common difference. Does that make sense? So we generate the formula by saying our Tn is equal to the first term, which is T1 or A, plus into bracket the n term that you are finding minus 1 times the common difference. So this is the formula you can use at all times. Now we're going to use the formula to work out certain sums in the next video. Please do watch it.